To doubt or to have doubt is human nature. Even the most devout Christian will experience moments of doubt. The greatest question of doubt for Christians is one that spans time and space. Am I saved? This is a question that speaks to a rather common Christian experience, a faith that doubts one's personal salvation. This is a question of doubt that troubled even the great John Wesley for much of his early years in ministry. It was not until the infamous Aldersgate experience that John Wesley experienced a change in his faith journey, whereby he stated, "I felt my heart strangely warmed. I felt I did trust in Christ, Christ alone for salvation, and an assurance was given me that he had taken away my sins, even mine, and saved me from the law of sin and death." John Wesley refers to the Christian wanderer as someone who feels inner turmoil due to a faith that continuously doubts their salvation, a faith that is without what Wesley calls assurance. This profound moment at Aldersgate became a turning point for Wesley, offering him a sense of peace and certainty that had eluded him for years. This narrative offers hope to any believer wrestling with their doubts, emphasizing that seeking and finding assurance is a deeply personal, yet universally human aspect of the faith journey.